Hi, this is Gretchen Carlson with the Funk Collection, brokered by eXp Realty. And I am out in a new community today that is being built in Minneola by Ashton Woods. And I'm super excited about it because it has the most amazing views I've ever seen. And I'm gonna do the best that I can to show you today. I am actually hanging outside the moonroof of my SUV so that we can try to give you some great views of this community. Their models are just now opening up and they've started construction, which you'll be able to see a little bit more of here in just a minute. And we'll show you the best we can the community and also give you some tips from the model home. So thanks for spending some time with us today. Right through here, you can see how gorgeous this is because of the elevation that we're at. And you can see all the way out to Lake Apopka. So I'm gonna have Kristen, who's driving here, slow down just a little bit so you can see out these amazing views. And they do have some lots available within the community. They have many different style homes, single story as well as two-story. Just give you a little bit of a side view. Even though you're not on the actual view out to the lake, it's still gorgeous up here. So it is such a pretty community. You can see we've got a 3-car garage and a single story here. Not quite sure if these are going to be single story yet. It's hard to tell. We don't have any roof lines yet. Nice concrete construction with your concrete block. And now are beyond amazing views from up in this community. So we'll find out a little bit more about what type of amenities the community is going to offer. There's a brand new Hills of Minneola Publix and additional shopping in the area. We're right next to Claremont and downtown Claremont for all their wonderful activities, as well as downtown Winter Garden. So I hope that this gives you a wonderful view of the community. If you have any interest in building a new home, reach out. We've got a wonderful builder rep here that we're already working with. We've already had a few buyers that have inquired, as well as a new contract for construction. So this is the Badland model. It's got a 2-car garage. And the French doors over there are the office doors since it is the model. Okay, so we're gonna go in here. Got a bedroom right up front. The full bath. And I'm sure many of you know that when you're building a new home, you're going to have options when it comes to cabinets and flooring and colors. Some of the builders are building spec homes where they're choosing those packages. So there's multiple ways that it's done. Got another bedroom here, and they turned it into a gorgeous office. Laundry, and then the door to the garage. You've got a really nice laminate flooring in here as well. So far that's 3 bedrooms. A beautiful kitchen. Look at that cabinet. Just gorgeous. Very large great room here. Even enough room to put an additional desk. Dinette area. We'll come back and take a look at the backyard here in a minute. Let's go check out this master. Nice big windows. The other thing that you'll notice too, do you see how the windows come down a little bit further towards the floor? It really opens it up and gives you additional light. You'll see some homes that have windows that are higher up, and it's just so much prettier when they allow that additional light in the way that they've got it shown. So we're getting a sneak peek at this model. Looks like they're still working on some stuff in here. So super excited that we are able to get in here and look at that gorgeous tile. Love these new modern styles. Nice big shower. It's just fabulous. Then a big walk-in closet. And the handrails do not come with the home, being that this is a model and this is going to probably be an available restroom. It's the only reason they've got that there. It looks like you've got a nice big linen closet in the master bath as well. So this is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with a very large great room and dining. It's a nice open floor plan. Kind of do a 360 around here and show you the entire kitchen. And now you can see you've got a great patio here and backyard. You could put a pool in if you wanted. So it's just gorgeous. Thank you for spending some time with me today, checking out the hills in Minneola here. It's a beautiful community. We will keep putting updates of what's going on in the community, amenities, pricing, floor plans, but don't hesitate to reach out to me if you have any questions or would like to take a tour of this beautiful community. This is Gretchen Carlson, keeping it real.